How to factory reset Windows 11 PC. Right-click the Start button, select Settings. In the left sidebar, click on System. Scroll down and select Recovery on the right. Under Recovery Options, you'll see Reset this PC. Click the Reset PC button next to it. Choose your option. A blue box will pop up with two options. Keep My Files. This removes apps and settings but keeps your personal documents and photos. Or Remove Everything. This option wipes the drive completely clean, ideal if you're selling or donating the PC. Select the option Keep My Files. Select Reinstallation Method. Choose between Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. Then click Local Reinstall. Click Next. Then click Reset. Your PC will restart and take some time to complete.